You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this artificial intelligence robot? Let's call it in French. ChatGPT, of course, in English. In French, chat. Chat means cat in French, but here, in this case, we do not pronounce it like cat, like chat, of course. We say chat. GPT. GPT, that's essentially the names of the letters, GPT, GPT. So, ChatGPT, ChatGPT is how we say ChatGPT in French, the pronunciation ChatGPT. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.